Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we're going to be making some of these little chip bags. I'm going to have the video linked down below where you guys can create your own little bags and the tutorial that I followed. Super easy, and you can make so many. And these are perfect to share in some Happy Mail. I absolutely love them. I've made them before, but I haven't made them in quite some time. So I thought it would be perfect for Halloween. And what I did was just do a bunch of inside. You can put anything you want. You could put embellishments, die cuts. I cut up a bunch of little die cuts, like I did fences. I did these little skull heads. I left all the little bits inside because I didn't want them to tear. So I did some skull heads. And then I did some cute little ghosts. So that's what's inside my chip bags, so that my recipient can use them. I used the thickers from the Hey Pumpkin collection. And then I just put like a little piece of ephemera to decorate it. You can decorate them however you want. I put just like a little pumpkin right here. And then this one right there on the front of the window. And then right here, I did this. So you can decorate them however you want. So I am going to make one with you guys, but I am going to speed it up. And yeah, I used, for my window, you can use a heart, a circle, a rectangle. I used a square, and I show you guys two different ways. You see, I put the window on the bottom and then the chips on the top. And then this one, I put chips on the bottom and the window a little bit higher up. So that's up to you. The paper collection that I'm using for this is, let's see, what is it called? It's Gingham Farm from My Mind's Eye. So we're using that. And then for the window, I just use some acetate. You can use some vinyl. Just whatever you have on hand, you guys, that's what you can use. And yeah, you can jazz it up by stitching on it and stuff like that. I'm trying to do a variety of stitching and non-stitching projects because I don't want you guys to feel like if your project is not stitched up, it is not complete or it's not good enough, because that is not true. You don't need to do all that, and you don't really need much for this. You just basically need to have a scoring tool and yeah, like a cutting board, and that's it. Super easy. You might not even need that. You could even use a kind of like a blade to cut your window. Whatever you have, you guys, you can use. But yeah, let's get into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you recreate, don't forget to tag me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And that's it. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so I ran out of my letters on my thickers, so I ended up just decorating it like this, but you guys can add your thickers. I just couldn't find any ones that can match the way I wanted to, so I just added a cute little Frankenstein, and I put hello beautiful and a little bat right here. But that is how easy, you guys, you make these. The video will be down below, but I'll also add the measurements of the paper and what you need to, where you need to score at. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are so fun to make and so fun to add in some Happy Mail. And you really don't need that much to decorate them. You can make them however you want. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.